All right, good day and welcome to another BowmanWebServices.com video. Today's video is all about the IWantToTravelTo.com website. And so this website actually was originally created to promote Minivac, and so has now kind of been revamped to kind of just do everything, anything related to tourism. So there's everything from some link building going on here for other companies, like I think there was a taxi service that paid me something to do some link building. Um, and uh, and so really the whole website is full of about something like 300 pages or 400 pages of content related to fun things to do. And so really I've gone out to like YouTube and I've collected hundreds of videos and just subdivided them into different categories, embedded playlists, and then created different major categories like Cozumel Island, fun things to do, Cancun, fun things to do, Los Cabos, fun things to do, right? Mayan ruins, top 25 Mayan ruins, cenotes, Cancun cenotes. So believe it or not, there's like 6,000 cenotes across the Yucatan area, and so I've actually written a whole article, and I've listed probably I think 70, 60 or 70 cenotes. There's a lot of pages of content here, right? And so every page is the opportunity to rank independent of itself because it's a blog. Or these days, I guess Google pretty much, even if it's a regular website or a coded website, they still rank all the different pages, but really because it's a blog, it targets hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of things, right? And so yeah, yeah, I even got a little section here for Daytona Beach, which is kind of off topic, but I'm kind of spent the last year here in Daytona Beach, so built a little thing for this area. And so yeah, there you have it. Probably 350 pages altogether between for Mexico-based fun things to do. And so, yeah, let me just open up one here. If I click on one, give you an idea of what I've done. I'm going to collect it. In some cases I didn't have an image, so I didn't put an image up, but, like swimming with dolphins, Cozumel shopping, food tours, different things. And then there's our different affiliate programs that promote different things. And so I've tried to incorporate those in there, like Viator and stuff like that. And so really, my main product has always been the Royal Elite Vacation Club. And so I sent people on a discount and stay as long as they meet the qualifications. And so, I kind of monetize this website with that promotion and then with a lot of different tours, excursions, different transportation type stuff, right? Insurance for your trip, that kind of things. And so, yeah, this creates a different form of marketing. This is more inbound lead generation. So I get people to join a mailing list, which I think is here somewhere, right here. It used to pop up, so maybe at some point I'm going to tweak this again. But right now I got somebody working on speed. So, having a whole slew of videos has actually slowed this thing down. As you see, here's a whole bunch of tours and excursions all across the Cozumel area. So, and then you wanted to learn about the iguanas on Cozumel, be able to like go here and watch videos on the iguanas, right? And we're not actually going to watch it, but you get the idea. And so really I should come in here and create some additional content. You can see get stuff on a lot of different things. And ultimately it's all just kind of lead generating or right now it's just kind of creating a page rank. And so along with this comes, it's all linked to the Search Console and Google Analytics. And so I can actually see every single one of these pages and where they're sitting on Google. And then I can, the ones that, some of them actually did get lucky with just videos, right? I've posted, 70 pages of videos, of video content, and I think about 6 pages altogether ended up ranking in the top like 15 on Google, right? That's the first page and a half, and so that's easy enough. You just go in there and throw a couple hundred, throw 100 words on that page, and it's definitely going up into the top 1, 2, 3, 4, right, on the first page of Google. And so you wouldn't know that if you didn't have Search Console, if you didn't have, Google Analytics, you would not know that kind of data. You wouldn't be able to go and say, click this and bounce over to your analytics thing. For some reason, the analytics thing's down because this guy is working on the speed thing. He's going to set up Google Tag Manager. Make this thing 5 times faster, apparently. This cost me $1. But, so anyway, you'd be able to go over here to your thing, and I can see site speed, site content, landing pages. And I can see every page on the website, right? And I can see, if it's having trouble, if it's, so right now, they say I got a high bounce rate on a lot of different things, but there's probably no content on this. This is probably just a bunch of videos, right? I haven't gotten around to adding the content. And when you got like 400 pages and just one person working on it, it's a project. And so, yeah, I've actually slowed down on adding pages now, and I've been going back and I go into this data here, right? I can go to this data and I can look at different things like overall sessions, right? And I could pick stuff that is getting views, and I can go and add some kind of content to this spearfishing page, right? And that requires a little bit of time, a couple of hours worth of time to build out some content, but I'll very quickly within a month that six should quadruple, right? Should go up that fast. So every page that I adjust will instantly the stats will just go up because first off, it's already in Google's index. I'm sorry, because this is Google's tool, right? So everything that's showing up here is in Google's index. Unfortunately, I can't get my picture out of the way here, or I would scroll down here and it would actually click. There's a whole thing that lets me go to another section of pages. Which I can't get to right now because that video is playing. And so, anyway, that's what I wanted you to see. I wanted to see that ultimately the idea is to create a page of content and get it to show up within the Google thing so you can actually get some kind of basic stats and so you know that it's getting any kind of views at all. And then you can go and you can play with that data. Once you have some kind of data, because if you throw up 100 pages of content and only 5 of them do anything, right? And the other 95 just fall, wherever, page 95, right? It doesn't help you not to know that, but to know that these 5 landed number 11, 12, 13, and 14, and 15, right? Now I can work with that. I can tackle those 5, push them to the top of the search results, and then maybe because they're ranking better, other pages kind of start to drift up in the search results. And so there you have it. That's my little take on this project. And so really, I just use this as uh, a lead generator, but at the same time, I get a lot of people that come down here to Sanders Resorts, and they ultimately, want to know what to do in the area, right? And so I ended up building a whole section of stuff on tours, excursions, fun things to do, and in a lot of cases, these videos actually are other people's videos, right? They could be watching these videos and just go off and do something that I don't even have any idea about, right? But the idea is to share this content and allow people to plan a more productive trip, right? And have more fun. All right, so that all being said, thanks for watching my rant on IWantToTravelTo.com. And so if you have a travel related service, by the way, you should probably have me, added here on this website. It's getting pretty gigantic at this point, but I mean, I'm adding little things like hotel deals and stuff like that, just to, more of a little inbound link generating kind of thing, right? All right. Thanks for stopping by, BowmanWebServices.com.